Hello everyone, in my last video I have explained you about the basic concepts of polynomials. I hope that all of you have solved exercise 2.1 in your copies. Now today I will explain you the new concept, that is zeros of polynomial. Now zeros of polynomial means if any polynomial is given. For example, here the polynomial is given px equals to 2x plus 4. If any polynomial is given and they ask you to find out the zero of this polynomial, if they ask that you have to find out the zero of this polynomial px, then how we have to do? We have to take px equals to 0, means whatever polynomial is there, you have to put that polynomial equals to 0. Now your value of px is 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Shift 4 to that side because we have to make x as our subject, minus 4. After that, minus 4 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, the value is minus 2. So your x value is minus 2. Now there is one more question. The question says if x equals to 0 and x equals to 3 and x equals to 0 are zeros of polynomial, means two values of x is given, x is equals to 3 and x equals to 0, and they are the zeros of this polynomial, then we have to find the value of a and b. So the polynomial is px equals to 2x cube minus 8x square plus ax plus b. This is our polynomial. We represent the polynomial usually by px. Okay. So this is the polynomial and x equals to 3 is the zero of polynomial. Means when I substitute p3, first of all I will substitute value p equals to 3. Then definitely when I will substitute p3, I will get 0. Why? Because this is the zero of polynomial. So first of all let me substitute the value. 3 cube minus 8, 3 square, a in place of x I will substitute 3 plus b. Now this quotient 0. Why? Because p3 will be 0 of polynomial, means you will get 0. 2 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27 minus 8, 3 square means 3 3s are 9 plus 3a plus b. 0 multiply 0 equals to 2 into 27, 54, 8 9s are 72 plus 3a plus b. When you subtract, you will get minus 18 plus 3a plus b. 18 will shift to this side, becomes plus 18 equals to 3a plus b. Now this is your first equation. Now the same work we have to do for when we will take the value x equals to 0. Means your polynomial is given px equals to 2x cube minus 8x square plus ax plus b. So now I will substitute the value in place of x. I will have to substitute 0. Okay, 0 equals to 2 into 0 cube, 8 into 0 square. Again, in place of x I have to substitute 0. Now whenever you multiply any number by 0, you will get 0. This term 0, this term 0, this term 0 plus b. That means 0 equals to b, your second part. Okay, now first equation is 3a plus b equals to 18. Second is b equals to 0. So now we will substitute the value b equals to 0 in our first equation. Substitute the value in equation first. So 3a in place of b I have to substitute 0 equals to 18. That is 3a equals to 18. Then a equals to 18 upon 3. That will be 3 by 3. This is 18. So your value of a is 6 and value of b is 0. That is the required answer. Let's see the next question. The next question says find the value qy when polynomial is given, that is 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. Polynomial is given and you have to find the value when y equals to 2. For this what we have to do, in place of y we have to substitute 2. Now let's start. Q 2 equals to 3, copy down 3, multiplied by y cube, y is 2 cube, minus sign, 4, copy down 4, multiplied by y is your 2, root 11, copy down as it is. Now let's solve. 3, 2 cube means 8, 4 2s are 8 plus root 11, 3 8s are 24 minus 8 plus root 11, that will make 16 plus root 11. Now children, all of you solve exercise 2.2 in your classwork copies. Okay, now let's see the new topic, that is your remainder theorem. Okay, before coming on to this topic remainder theorem, let's do the recap of long division algorithm which we have done in class 8. Okay, the question says divide px, our polynomial is 3x plus 4x square plus 1. We have to divide this polynomial by gx, that is minus 1 plus x. Let's do this division by long division algorithm. So gx our divisor is, that is x minus 1. First of all arrange it and then we will start with our division. That is x minus 1 divided by highest power of x, that is 4x square. We will write down first, then plus 3x, then after that plus 1. Now let's divide. To divide this, first of all you have to observe first digits, means this x and this 4x square. First of all you have to observe these two digits. Here x is there. Now you just think that in x what should I multiply, or what I have to multiply so that 4x square we will get. So in x we have to multiply
4x.
something so that we can get 4x square. So 4 we will multiply and 2x are there, 1x we are already having 1x, so that means only 1x we want, that is 4, and 4x we have to multiply, then we will get 4x square. So here what we have to multiply, 4x. So then we will get 4x square, and this 4x we will multiply with this 1 also. So 4 1s are 4, that is minus 4x. Okay. Now we will change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This portion cancelled. Now plus 3x, now new sign you have to observe, that is plus 4x. Plus, that will make plus. So 4 plus 3, 7x. Plus 7x. Copy down this plus 1 as it is. Now again observe x, your first digit, and here 7x. Okay. So now just think that in x what we have to multiply so that we can get 7x. But obvious x is there, what I have to multiply? I have to multiply only 7, then only 7 into x will make 7x. So that means plus sign is here, plus sign 7. Okay, now multiply 7 into x will be 7x. 7 into 1 plus minus, see here, plus minus 7 ones are 7, minus 7. Again change the sign, plus will become minus will become plus. This portion will be cancelled. Now again see, plus 1 plus 7 plus, that means 7 plus 1 8. So your remainder will be 8. Okay. Okay, now let's solve the same question by remainder theorem method. First of all, what we have to do in remainder theorem, we have to substitute, or we have to take gx minus 1 plus x, then we have to put gx equals to 0, so that we will get the value of x, that is your 1. Okay. Once you will get the value of x, after that what you have to do, you have to substitute this value x in your polynomial, that is px is equals to 3x plus 4x square plus 1. Now let's substitute the value, that is p in place of x 1 I will take 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 square plus 1. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4 plus 1. That will make 8. So you will get remainder as 8 when we have substituted the value 1. Then we are getting remainder as 8. So you can easily observe that which method is easy. This is your long division algorithm method and this is your remainder method. So you can easily compare and you can easily find out that remainder theorem is a simple method. We can simply solve that gx will be put equals to 0. We will get the value of x. Then after calculating the value of the variable, we have to substitute the value in our polynomial. Then we will get our remainder. Okay. Now let's see the new question. If the polynomial, here in this question two polynomials are given, one is this polynomial and this polynomial. So two polynomials are given, leave the same remainder. So the one condition they have given in this question, that remainder will be same when divided by x minus 3. So when we divide these two polynomials by x minus 3, then they will leave the same remainder. Okay, now let's see what we have to do. First, one polynomial is this, fx you will take this. Okay, similarly second polynomial is this, so px I will take this second polynomial, and we have to divide it by x minus 3, so gx I am taking x minus 3. Okay, now let's start. First of all, I will solve x minus 3 equals to 0. After that I will get the value of x, so the value of x is 3. Okay, once you will get the value of x, once you will find value of x, then what you have to do, you have to substitute the value of x in both the equations like earlier in the question we have done. So f of 3 you will substitute, means in place of x you have to substitute the value 3x value 3. So 2 in place of x you will substitute 3, that is 3 cube. Here you can observe plus sign, k, x square, x is my 3, that will make 3 square, plus sign, observe 3, again in place of x 3 I have to substitute 3 minus 5. Now simple calculations we have to do, all of you can do the calculations easily. 3 cube will make 27, 2 as it is, plus 3 square, that is 3 3s are 9, 9k plus 3 3s are 9 minus 5. After that just see, multiply these two, 54 you will get, plus 9k plus 9 minus 5. After that solve these numbers, 54 plus 9 you will do, whatever will come, subtract minus 5, 58 you will get plus 9k. The same work we have to do for this polynomial px also. In place of x again we will substitute the value 3. So now observe, in place of x 3 cube plus x square means 3 square minus sign 2x place of 3 plus 2k. Again solve 27, 3 square 9 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2k. Solve these numbers, you will get 30 plus 2k. Till here all of you can do, because we have done zeros of polynomial part also, and from that you can easily solve these two parts. Now after that the question says, according to the question, what the question says, that they will leave the same remainder. Same remainder means your f3 and your p3 will be equal, means the remainders will be equal. So whatever value you are getting in f3, that is 58 plus 90, the value you are getting for f3 and the value you are getting for p3, you will equate them. After that, numbers one side, variable another side. You bring all the numbers to one side and variable shift to another side. Then you do the calculations. Here I have done the calculation. 30 you shift here, it will become minus 30. 9k will go there, it will become minus 9k. Subtract it, minus 7k, bigger sign, that is minus 7k. Subtract this, 28 you will get. After that, 28 equals to minus 7k. Minus 7 will come in denominator, divided, minus 4 value you will get for k. This is how you have to solve these questions. Now children, all of you solve exercise 2.3 in your class work copies and keep on practicing from your reference books also.